Good morning, dear students. Owing to the COVID-19 pandemic, Martha Mayer Secondary School Indoor takes pleasure of commencing the online classes for you. The lockdown situation has had an adverse impact on teaching learning process. So without hampering it further, let's begin our online classes for your academic benefit. You are advised to revise the content thoroughly and solve the worksheet provided properly. Dear students, as it is written in the Holy Scripture, he who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. I will say to the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress. My God, in Him I will trust. Surely He will save you from the fowler's snare and from the deadly pestilence. I convey my best wishes and prayer for the upcoming session. Dear students, take care of your health and stay safe. May God bless us all. Thank you.
Hello students, I am Sandhya Vijay Kumar going to take science. Okay? Today we are going to take the topic that is the most wonderful and valuable gift which God has given us. Yes, that is our eyes. You know, if you are not having eyes, how you may be able to see these things which are very, very wonderful things you can see here. There are many things around us. This is through our eyes which we are able to see. Okay? Before going to the topic, which you can see the diagram here, that is structure of eye. We will speak about the 5 sense organs. We will start from the top. Eyes. Eye is the sense organs which help us to see. Nose, which help us to smell. Tongue, which help us to taste. Ears, which help us to hear the things. And our skin. Everywhere we are having the skin, it helps us to feel and touch. Okay? That were the 5 sense organs. But today we are going to explain one of the most valuable sense organ, that is our eyes. Okay children, now come, look at this diagram. This is the eyes which we can see through our naked eyes. Okay, whenever you are seeing others' eyes, these are the things you can see. These hair-like structure, it is called eyelashes. The covering, that means when you close your eyes, you can see the skin part. That is called the eyelid. What is the function of eyelashes and eyelid? It helps us from all the dust particles. Okay, if something pointed object is attacking us, we used to close our eyes. So our internal part is not being damaged. Okay, now when we are taking our eyes, that is for when some accidents occurs, our eyes comes out. Otherwise, when we are taking the internal structure out from our eyes, it will have this shape, okay, like a spherical shape, bulging out from our skin. Now, one by one, today we will learn the different parts of our eye, okay. I told you, you are having a spherical shape like this. Now, the outermost part. In our body, our skin is the outermost part which protects our internal organs. Same way, if you are taking a small piece of eye structure, you can see the first part, that is cornea. Look at here children, this part is called cornea. This is like a plastic sheet. See, what is the function of plastic? You can see through this. That is, if you are catching a plastic cover in front of you, you can see the things behind it. Same way, the cornea is having a plasma thin membrane sheet, which allows to see the internal iris part, this green color structure. Okay. Now, the iris has some muscular tissues with a small opening at the center. This is what is called pupil. Okay. Now, when you are seeing this pupil, it looks like a black spot, but actually it is a dark opening. And what is the function of pupil is that our muscular tissue present in this diaphragm, this green part, okay? This diaphragm allows the pupil to open large and to close its position. Why? when it is dark outside, mainly during night time when the light is very dark outside, what does this pupil do? It increases its volume, okay? It opens its size and allow more amount of light to pass to the internal part of the eye, okay? But during daytime when the sunlight is more, that time our iris muscular tissues ask the pupil to close its volume. Why? Because it needs a small amount of light to pass through, because already we are having the sunlight outside. Okay, now that was the function of pupil and iris. Now what you can see inside this iris and pupil, this light blue shade, this is what is called lens. As you all know, what is the function of lens? Lens function is to focus a image or picture. Okay. Now, whatever the light has got this lens, it focuses through the dark red region that is called the retina. The light is being focused from the lens towards our retinal cells. Actually, this retina has a many number of nerves. Okay. It combines and forms the bunch of nerves called retina. As soon as the retina captures the image towards it, its function is to send a message to these thick fibers. Okay, these thick fibers, and it is called optic nerves. Why we are given the name optic? Because the word optic symbolizes eye. Okay, scientifically, eye has a scientific name called optic. And the nerves which are connected to eyes, it is called optic nerves. Now, the main function is done by this optic nerve. What does this optic nerve do? It captures all the messages from retinal cells and it gives to our brain. Now, it is the brain who is the master to decide what object we have to see. Whether it is a sharp object, whether it is a light object, whether it is a dark object, all the messages are being decided by brain. Again it passes its message to optic nerves and then we come to know what we have seen through our eyes. Okay children, we have learned the structure. The outer covering cornea is a transparent thin membrane. Then comes iris. It's a combination of muscle tissues having an opening called pupil, and it allows the light to enter through, which attacks the retinal cells. These retinal cells are being focused by our lens, and the retinal cells give the message to optic nerve, which is being sent to brain, and the brain decides what the object we should see. Today we have learned about the structure of eye. Next class we will learn the structure of ear. Hope you understood the chapter. Thank you. Be safe and take care.